Hey, I'm Sam. I'm an energy engineer at Flow Power, and I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about energy shape management plans.
And I'm Tosh. I'll be telling you more about the history of the market and how it's shaping the future of energy management.
Thanks, Tosh. Okay, let's get started.
Five or 10 years ago, even as recently as 2 years ago, businesses were all about energy efficiency to cut costs and reduce emissions. If you wanted to save money, you simply had to use less energy.
Absolutely, and energy efficiency is still important, but the energy market has evolved. As you learned in our introduction to market trends, the rise of solar and wind power has really shaken things up, bringing more cheap, clean energy into the grid. We've reached a point where energy prices can actually go negative at times.
That's where energy shape management plans come in. These plans help businesses adjust their energy demand to align with the times when energy is cheapest and cleanest, turning into a strategic advantage. It's not just about using less energy anymore, it's about when you use it.
So what exactly is involved in an energy shape management plan? Well, it all starts with an online consultation.
During this consultation, we'll run you through energy price trends in your state and how they vary. Then we discuss your energy use patterns, the complexity of your operations, and work together to define the scope of a project.
The cost and scope will depend on your setup. For example, a single site with a few major energy demands will be much simpler than managing multiple sites with a complex mix of energy using equipment.
Once we agree on the scope and budget, we visit your site. That's when we document your major energy consuming equipment and have a detailed discussion about what can be turned off, ramped down, or simply shifted to different times of day to take advantage of price fluctuations.
And don't worry, we crunch all the numbers for you. This includes evaluating opportunities for solar panels or battery storage.
Your energy shape management plan is designed with the future energy market in mind, where the time you use energy is more important than how much energy you use.
It's your secret to cutting costs and helping reduce your carbon emissions, the smart way.
So, what do you actually get from an energy shape management plan?
You'll receive a report that highlights the cost and benefits of the opportunities we identified together. We'll also provide an implementation plan.
This plan specifies recommended technologies and any integration requirements. For example, you might need software and hardware that allow your systems to communicate, like a building management system that responds to energy price spikes by temporarily shutting off non-essential equipment.
Exactly. It's about making sure everything works seamlessly, so you can respond to price volatility without disrupting your operations. And thinking about operations, what type of businesses could benefit from an energy shape management plan?
Businesses with operational flexibility are best suited, like manufacturing plants that can pause a batch process for an hour or two. It's also ideal for businesses with major energy consuming equipment that can be automatically adjusted. Think heating, cooling, refrigeration, electric vehicle charging that can adapt at short notice to high prices. We even help optimize thermal heat batteries, which are becoming a hot trend, no pun intended.
But whatever your situation, if you're looking to reduce your operational costs, achieve sustainability goals, or simply better manage your energy use, we're here to help.
So, how do you get started? It's easy. Just reach out to your Flow Power account manager. They'll set you up with a meeting with one of our engineers.
After we learn more about your business, we'll scope the project in full and quote the work to help you budget.
And trust us, the potential savings and emission reductions can make this a valuable investment. We always estimate your potential for savings before you commit to a project.
If you're ready to take control of your energy costs and join the future of energy management, get in touch with our team today.
Thanks for watching.